Hello friends, today we're gonna do an experiment. We have everything: two bowls, a full bowl, and an empty. This is silk, this is cotton, and this is wood. And three glass. We're using color water instead of normal water, so you can see how much water does the fabric collect. Amount of water. So the experiment can tell how much water we have to see. We'll take a fabric, put it into the water and squeeze into this bowl, and then we'll put it in the glass, and then we'll do another experiment, and then the end we can see how much water has it collect. So let's start with the experiment. First, this is silk fabric, so let's start with the silk. We need to dip it into the water. Alright, now let me squeeze. So this much water the silk fabric has collected. Now let's do it with the cotton. We dip it into the water. So nice and wet. Now let me squeeze. Oh, my hand. This much water the cotton fabrics have collected. Now let's do final. We dip it into the water. There. Got to take all of the water out of this. There, it's all done. This is silk water, cotton water, and wool water. And the wool water has collected a lot of water than the cotton and the silk. So now you know which fabric has collected a lot of water. It's the cotton. I mean the wool. This much water the wool has collected. This much water the cotton has collected, and this much water the silk has collected. This is the end of this video. If you want to watch more my videos on YouTube, search for my name. Let's spell my name. Fatir. Fatir. Please like, subscribe and share my channel. Bye bye. See you soon.